ALDA became a very important organization worldwide because its success to achieve many aspects that other organizations didn't succeed. ALDA became a model for imitation, and therefore ALDA should play an important role internationally by being a mediator to bring people around the globe in conflict to learn for the experience that ALDA got, and in order to be a good partner for the future worldwide. And therefore, I believe that from this conference, ALDA will be a very important international organization. ALDA succeeded to achieve and to bring reconciliation between countries, between citizens, between people. And this successful story should be implemented in the Mediterranean, in the conflict between Israelis and Palestinians, and to bring these advantages, this knowledge, and to be a venue for meeting for Israelis and Palestinians for the future to come, in order to establish understanding, and most of all, to establish consideration and to bring together people in order that they will facilitate the knowledge that ALDA brought. The important thing that ALDA succeeded to bring around its member is trust. And trust is the key element for bringing citizens, politicians, and people in differentiation together. And this model could be an important element for us in the Mediterranean to bring Israelis and Palestinians together.